Uganda Cancer Program is privileged to partner with you for the 2023 Cancer Run that is taking place on the 27th of August, 2023. MU-JHU, we thank you so much for your partnership. I hereby hand over the running kits and the bag that all of you will wear as we promote prevention, treatment of cancer in Uganda, but also increase the awareness and the knowledge about this disease that is ravaging our country so that our populations can easily and timely access cancer services.
Thank you very much. MU-JHU is excited to partner with Uganda Cancer Program, and we are excited to be part of this 12th edition of the Cancer Run, and for under this theme of Run for Hope. And we know that we are going to have a stake in the impact that you're going to create, and we believe that the effort is going to be multiplied this time over. And we hope also that the goal of continuing the construction of cancer institutes is going to continue, and we will be excited to put a team on the field on that day. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your partnership.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And for the photo moment,